Hello everyone, welcome to this course. In this course, you are going to learn FastAPI from zero to build your first AI API. Before we write our first FastAPI endpoint, I want to see you where we are going. Throughout this course, you are going to build a complete AI-powered document application from the ground up. Not a small demonstration, not a simple API endpoint. We are going to build an application that brings together modern backend development, databases, authentication, AI, semantic search, testing, containerization, and cloud deployment with FastAPI Cloud. Let me show you what you are going to build at the end of the course. First, users will be able to register and authenticate securely. We will build the API so that different users can interact with their own documents and data. Next, users will be able to upload documents directly through the application. Those documents will then go through a processing pipeline. We will extract the information we need, prepare the content for AI processing, and transform the documents into a format that our application can work with efficiently. Then comes the AI component. The application will analyze documents using an AI model and return structured responses rather than simply returning a block of generated text. This distinction is extremely important when you are building production AI systems. Your application needs predictable data that your backend can actually work with. We will also implement semantic search. Instead of searching documents only by matching exact keywords, we will allow the system to find information based on meaning. For example, imagine that a document contains a sentence, employees may work remotely up to 3 days per week. A user might ask, how many days can employees work from home? A traditional keyword search may not recognize the relationship between those two sentences. Semantic search allows us to search based on the meaning of the content. And then we will take this one step further. Users will be able to ask questions about their upload documents and receive answers based on the information contained within those documents. This gives us the foundation for a practical AI document assistant. But the AI component is only one part of the system. A production application also needs reliable data management. We will use PostgreSQL to persist application data. That includes information such as users, documents, processing results, and other application metadata. We will also make the API easy to understand and interact with. FastAPI automatically provides interactive API documentation, which allows us to inspect our endpoints and test requests directly from the browser. This is one of the features that makes FastAPI particularly productive for API development. We will not simply build the application and hope that everything works. We will write automated tests to verify that important parts of the system behaves as expected. This is a fundamental difference between building a prototype and building software that you can maintain with confidence. Then we will package the application using Docker containerization. Docker allows us to create a consistent environment for running our application across development, testing, and production. And finally, we will take everything we have built and deploy it. The final application will be deployed to FastAPI Cloud, giving us a real production environment rather than leaving our project running only on our local machine. And that is the real purpose of this course. I don't want to simply memorize FastAPI syntax. I want to understand how to use FastAPI to build real AI-powered backend systems. By the end of this course, you should be able to look at an AI application and understand how its backend is designed, how its APIs communicate, how data moves through the system, how AI components are integrated, and how the entire application can be tested and deployed. We will start from the fundamentals. You don't need to know FastAPI before starting this course. We will begin by understanding what FastAPI is, why it is useful, how a FastAPI project is structured, and how to create our first API. Then, step by step, we will add the components required to turn that simple API into a complete AI application. And importantly, we will build the project incrementally. Every major concept we learn will have a purpose in the application. You will not just learn what something is, you will understand why we need it, where it belongs in the architecture, and how it works together with the rest of the system. So, if you are ready, let's start from zero. Let's learn FastAPI, build our AI document application, and take it all the way to production. Let's begin.